Hello and welcome to my next video. Today I am turning a jumpsuit into a dress. So the first thing I had to do was take my handy dandy seam ripper and start ripping out all the seams along the inside of the pant legs of this jumpsuit. This was a very time-intensive process, so as you can see, I have sped up the video here. Something that took me approximately a half hour will only take about 30 seconds to 1 minute for the purposes of this video. Also, can you believe that most standard small sewing kits don't come with seam rippers? What is that even about? I had to order my own seam ripper on Amazon. Alright, we're about done ripping out all of those seams. So let's just, cut that weird space in the crotch. And freedom. Alright, so all those seams have been ripped out and now it is time to figure out where I want to pin these pant legs together to turn this jumpsuit into a dress. My few remaining brain cells here weren't super cooperative, but I eventually figured it out. Now that we're all pinned and ready to go, it is finally time to see if I remember how to thread a needle. Oh, and during this process, I really wish I had a sewing machine because it has been a very, very long time since I have hand sewn anything. So if anyone would like to donate me a sewing machine, whether it's an antique Singer sewing machine with its own desk, or maybe that weird Brother brand sewing machine you've got gathering dust in the back of your closet, feel free. Yes, as you can see, here I am very slowly, very, very slowly, hand stitching all of these raw edges together. Oh boy, if you think the lighting is bad in this video, imagine what this was doing on my own eyeballs. Not fun. Black thread on black fabric in low lighting, yeah, not a great combination. But you know what? I made it work. Also, mad props to that Buffy t-shirt. That's like my favorite thing to wear these days. Who else likes Buffy the Vampire Slayer? Leave a comment down below. Time for the reveal. So we went from a fairly standard drab looking jumpsuit to a very almost sassy looking dress with a nice little back slit. Doll that up with a pair of pearls and a very cute floppy sun hat and my favorite sandals. We have a pretty solid outfit. So thanks a lot for tuning in and watching. If you'd like to see more refashions or weird sewing videos, let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Bye!